Have you seen those insane car transformation videos taking over TikTok lately? There's a page called Fusion Mind that's already blown up past 50,000 followers, pulling in millions of views per video, 4 million, 5 million, even 7 million views on a single post. And here's the crazy part, this viral car transformation niche is actually super easy to create. With engagement like this, creators in this space are already making thousands of dollars every month just from TikTok alone. In today's video, I'm going to break down step by step how you can create these viral AI car transformation videos yourself, even if you're a complete beginner. Now let's get started. The first step is getting the prompts for our viral car transformation video. Head over to your browser and search for GPTs. Once the results load, look for Explore GPTs and click on it. In the search bar, type Car Transform Generator and open the result. Now click Start Chat and you'll be taken to the AI generation interface. From here, click Start the Generator, and within a few seconds, the AI will generate 10 unique car transformation concepts for you. You can scroll through the ideas and pick the one you like best, or simply type in your own custom car and animal combination. Once you've chosen your concept, click Generate, and the AI will instantly create everything you need for the video. You'll receive the first AI image prompt for the starting frame featuring the car and animal together, a second AI image prompt for the fully transformed hybrid creature, and a cinematic AI video prompt that we'll use later to animate the entire transformation sequence. The next step is to generate our images, and for this step, we'll be using Flow AI. Once you're on the platform, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Then set your image output to 2 generations so the AI gives you multiple options to choose from. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt we generated earlier. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will create 2 cinematic images based on your prompt. Go through the results, pick the one that looks the best, and download it to your device. Now we're going to generate the fully transformed hybrid creature. Add the first image you just created to prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, return to Flow AI, and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will create the fully transformed hybrid version with a much more consistent cinematic look and character design. Once the image is ready, download it to your device. The next step is to turn our images into a viral cinematic transformation video. Head back over to Flow AI and switch to the video section. From there, click on Frames and make sure your aspect ratio is still set to 9:16. Next, upload the first image you generated as the start frame. Then upload the transformed hybrid image as the end frame. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt we generated earlier. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will animate the entire transformation sequence for you automatically. Preview the result. As you can see, the motion looks incredibly smooth, cinematic, and high quality, exactly the kind of AI content that's currently going viral. Once you're happy with the result, download the video to your device. The final step is editing our transformation video. Open CapCut, then make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. If your clip has any watermark around the edges, simply tap on the video and slightly zoom or stretch it until the watermark disappears cleanly from the frame. Now let's make the video more engaging by adding a title at the top of the screen. Click on Text, then add the viral title generated by ChatGPT. Position it at the top of the video and extend the text layer so it stays visible throughout the entire clip. Once everything looks good, click Export and download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments section.